Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change BMW X1 brake pads. Before starting, gather all your necessary tools, including a reliable jack, a lug wrench, and your new brake pads. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and securely supported. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes throughout this important maintenance task. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Once prepared, begin by loosening the lug nuts on the wheel you are working on. Then, safely raise your BMW X1 and completely remove the wheel. Next, locate the two caliper guide pins and carefully detach them. Gently remove the entire brake caliper, ensuring it is supported and not hanging by the brake line. Finally, slide out the old brake pads and take a moment to inspect your brake rotor for any significant wear or damage. Now it is time to install your new brake pads. First, use a caliper piston compressor tool to fully retract the caliper piston. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Carefully insert the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, making sure they are properly seated and aligned. Then, reposition the brake caliper over the new pads and rotor. Securely tighten the two guide pins to their manufacturer-specified torque, ensuring everything is firm. For the final steps, reattach the wheel and lower your BMW X1 back to the ground. Securely tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This action properly seats the new brake pads against the rotor. Drive cautiously for the first 50 to 100 miles, avoiding hard braking, to allow the new pads to properly brake in and achieve optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.